Hey guys, so for today's video, I created this super cute springy pastel eyeshadow look and I used the new Natasha Denona Pastel palette. So if you want to see how I got this look and my thoughts on this palette, go ahead and keep on watching. I'm actually so excited to be filming with this palette today. At first when I saw this online, I think maybe like Trend Mood posted it, I wasn't very impressed because I was like, oh, it's just pastel shades. I feel like pastels are just kind of hard to work with in general. They're just very light colors and normally I like very kind of rich, intense type of colors, you know? But last night I was up here in my beauty room just kind of swatching some new PR, figuring out what I want to film with, and I was swatching the shimmers in this palette and oh my gosh, they are freaking beautiful. Honestly, I should have known it's Natasha Denona. Her shimmers are stunning. So as always, I have no plan as to what I want to do today on my eyes. I think I might want to do like a half and half look. You know how some people will do like one color in here and then like one color out here, but not really like blend it together. I don't normally do that type of look, but I'm really drawn to like these three shades up here. You guys know I freaking love purple and green together. I don't know what it is, so it's very possible that this look might be purple and green at the end. We'll see. And I put on some press-on nails and they kind of like match the palette. Like look at how cute this packaging is. This matte gradient is beautiful. So I'm very excited. I have high hopes for this palette, so let's get started. So as always, I prime my eyes with the Rare Beauty eyeshadow primer and I set that with the translucent powder. I'm gonna start with the Sigma E27 in this shade Brisk. So I'm thinking doing like the bluish greens on the inner half of my eye and then the purpley pinks on the outer half. Let's see. Okay, so I'm gonna take this Brisk color and just kind of start in my inner crease. And I'm doing about 2 to 3 layers of this shadow to get it to look like this. Kind of make sure the shape is even on both eyes. I'm gonna take Airy on that same brush. I'm gonna place this more on my inner lid, not so much in my crease. This is what I love about using a palette for the first time, is that I can just dip into this and do whatever my heart desires. So now I'm gonna clean off that brush on my Sigma switch just to get all the pigment off of it. Now I'm gonna pick up Feather and I want this shade in my outer crease. So again, I'm doing about 3 layers of this shadow. Okay, so far this is looking like cotton candy and I love it. Now I'm gonna take a Sigma E54 in the shade Bora, and I believe this is one of the cream to powder formulas, which is not my favorite formula, but let's use it. And this shade's gonna go on the outer part of my lid. I honestly just don't know the best way. Is there shimmer on this brush? Or is there shimmer in this shade? Because there's shimmer on my lid and that's not what I wanted right now. I don't know what's happening. I'm gonna try Bora on my finger. I just find this cream to powder formula to be so tricky to work with. Like it swatches beautifully, but like I never know what kind of brush to use with it, how to blend it out. So then I'm kind of using my E27 to blend. I love this Bora color, but like I said, this formula is just not my favorite. It's working, I think. I'm gonna take Mint Frost on my finger, and guess where this is gonna go? Inner part of the lid on top of the blue. I would love to pair some of these shimmers with like a neutral palette. What if I use this and like the Glam palette together? Let me know your thoughts. I feel like that would be really fun. Now I'm gonna take Dainty on my finger, and guess where this shade's going? Outer half of my lid. I'm keeping the center kind of blank for now because I need to figure that out. Because I'm not really trying to blend these shades together. You can see I'm trying to really do like a half and half look. Ah, those shimmers are stunning. Okay, so for the center of my lid, I have a thought. There's 2 shades that I think could look cool for this. Either Illusion, which is a duochrome. I don't want to butcher this name, but this cute yellow. Here's Illusion. Here's the cute yellow. I think I want the yellow. How do you say this? Limoncello? That does not sound right.
Limoncello.
Limoncello. I was close. Okay. So I'm gonna take that on my finger. And since I'm not really blending this blue and purple together, I'm using this yellow because yellow goes with blue and yellow goes with purple. So I'm kind of using this as like the mixer right in the center here. Oh my gosh. Cute. I feel like my eyeballs look like an Easter egg right now, and I'm not mad about it. These are really fun and pretty colors. All right, I'm feeling pretty good at this eye look so far. I'm gonna go do my face makeup off camera and then we'll finish up the eyes together. Okay, my face makeup is done, and at the end of the video, I'll share with you everything that's on my face. And I did turn on my heater. It's really freaking cold up here today, so my heater's on. If you hear any air, that's what that is. I'm not too sure what I wanna do on the lower lash line. Like, I definitely don't wanna do the half and half on the lower lash line. Part of me just wants to go purple because you guys know I love purple eyeshadow. All right, so I'm gonna take a Sigma E20 and I'm gonna try this Bora shade again. And I want this shade along my lower lash line. Now I'm gonna take a Sigma E42 with more feather and just use that to soften up the Bora shade. I kind of want to do a fun color in my waterline, so I'm going to try this Haus Labs eyeliner in Priscilla. Okay, so it looks like almost white, but when you're close up, you can totally see the hint of blue in there. That's kind of fun, I like that. I'm gonna go pop on some mascara and lashes, and then I'll show you the full face. All right, here are the eyeballs all done. I love how they look. For my lashes, I'm wearing my brand The Bright Lashes in the half lash Flutter. These lashes are so freaking pretty. Like, don't they look like a full lash? But they're not. They start like right here. Oh, I love this style. Don't my eyes just look like a freaking Easter egg right now? But I think it's so cute. I feel so bright and springy today, and it's like moody and cloudy and rainy outside. So I do have a new lip product I want to try from Kaja. It's the Love Swipe Lightweight Cushiony Lip Mousse. So the other night when I was swatching the Natasha Denona palette, I was also swatching these, and I thought they were a blush at first. They're not a blush, they're a lip product, but look at how freaking cute these are. Are you kidding me? Like, this is the cutest thing I've seen in my life. It's so little, so cute. It smells like the Smackers. So I tried it on last night when I was swatching it, and like, it is so velvety smooth. I need to put one on and show you. But I went up to my boyfriend and I was like, kiss me right now. And so he kissed me and he's like, oh my gosh, your lips feel so smooth. And he was like, kiss me again. So this definitely makes your lips super smooth. This was a shade I tried last night. It's called Every Girl. Very, very pretty, like everyday kind of peachy color. But it definitely won't go with this look. I need something a little brighter if possible. So let me see what else I got here. See, this looks too mauve-y. I want something with like a pink undertone. Oh, this might work. What is this one called? Sweet Softie. So cute. So all I have on my lips right now is the Charlotte Tilbury lip liner in Iconic Nude. It's like my favorite lip liner ever. So let's try this one. Do they smell the same? Yes. Oh, they smell so good. Okay, let's try this. Oh, that color's perfect. This is freaking beautiful. Oh my gosh. I freaking love these. The texture is unlike anything I've put on my lips before. Like, guys, it just feels amazing on your lips. Love the texture. I also love this color too. So I like that this one's more pinky and this one's more like peachy. So these two I'm keeping like on my desk. I want to use these every day. And here's the full face all done. I love how my makeup looks. Let me tell you everything on my face. My foundation is my current obsession, NARS Light Reflecting. For my blush, I'm wearing the Anastasia Cream Stick Blush in Latte. Can I just say I hate this packaging? I always smash the freaking thing into the cap. Like, this is gross, but I love this color. And then for bronzer, I also use the Anastasia Cream Bronzer in Amber. It's an Anastasia day, I guess. And then under my eyes, I use the new Sigma Color Correcting Duo. Still really liking this. And then I used the Kosas concealer today. I really liked this combo. And then I did set my whole face with the new Sigma Beaming Glow powder. This thing is super glowy, but I really like it all over the face. I don't put this one under the eyes. I use a matte powder under my eyes, but this one all over the face is so glowy. Like, I have no highlighter on my face, so all those cream products plus this is this beautiful glow on my skin. I love it. I also wanted to say on my eyes, in my inner corner here, I just popped on that yellowy shade with this one right here as a little bright inner corner. I really like how this eye look turned out. I feel like my eyes look super bright and springy, but it's not too scary looking, right? Because it is more pastel, kind of on the softer side. I'm feeling very excited about this palette, so I'm definitely gonna do some more looks with it. Let me know what kind of color combo you wanna see next. I think it'd be fun to use like these shades right here that I didn't really get to today. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.